Long press the switch button for 5 seconds. Waiting for Bluetooth devices start to finish, hear the voice prompt.
Bluetooth now.
Pairing. The device starts and automatically enters the pairing mode. The indicator light flashes alternately red and blue, and turns on the Bluetooth of the mobile phone. Select the device named H2 to pair. If it has been paired before, the phone will automatically connect to the device. Unlock touch. Each time you use it, you need to manually unlock the touch function. Touch the left and right sides of the helmet with both hands at the same time. You can feel it for 5 seconds.
按键已解锁。
Lock touch. In the unlocking state, both hands simultaneously touch the left and right sensing buttons of the helmet for